Alrighty, so we are out here flying. We have our trusty 5-inch quad right here. We're on a slightly different part of the field, as you can see. So it's a little bit bigger. Hopefully we can do some more tricks, try out some more tricks. And we also have some trees up here that you can see. Hopefully we'll be able to play around with the trees a little bit and yeah, see what we can do. So let's go ahead and get in the air. And yeah, I got 2 batteries to fly today, so it's gonna be fun. Here we go. I did actually change the OSD here, and I now should have little crosshairs. I don't know if those are helpful or not, but we'll see. Okay, right off the bat, those crosshairs are extremely helpful. Wow, I've been missing out on a lifetime of simplicity. Gosh, that's nice. Oh man, crosshairs are the best. That's just amazing. I can just tell where I am. It is artificial, right? But it's perfect. And I think my rates are pretty solid too. I want to come in close to these trees here. So a move that I've been practicing is to kind of give it that throttle, let the ground kind of come back, something like that, I don't know. That's what we've been attempting so far. Now unfortunately, since I used my battery last time, the battery's a little low, but that is cool. I have a second battery, so that was pretty fun. Yeah, crosshairs, oh man, I don't think I'm ever going to be able to fly without them again. Okay, little wobble there. Didn't quite feel like it was going to be moving forward, so I went out of it. But, oh, we had that little double video feed that I had last time I flew. It only seems to happen when I do the dives like that, so not a huge concern to me, but I feel like my pitch stick has some weird things going on with it. Flying pretty good though. Whoa, close to the ground there. Battery's kind of low, but not the biggest deal in the world. I'm liking my rates though. My rates are really nice for this flight. Like I can do those choppy flips and they just feel right. I don't know. Might have to do some PID tuning though. Alright, our battery's getting kind of low, so I think I'll come in for a landing. I think that's me. Yeah, there we go. There we go. That was awesome. So, had the crosshairs on there. Those crosshairs really helped. I got a little close to the trees, on purpose, of course, but man, that was a really good flight. So I'm gonna go ahead and load up another battery since that battery didn't have much juice left in it, and yeah, this will be pretty good. Okay, flight number 2 of the day. Everything's looking good on my OSD. I'm really liking my OSD setup now. Before it was okay, but now it's with those crosshairs, it's just much better. I'm really enjoying that. Alright, we're off. just like it was before. It's really nice. I like the crosshairs, like I said before. Got some wind coming in, so not the best, most favorable flying conditions, but make do with what we have. Try to do something close to the trees. Make it a little bit more interesting, but obviously not that good of a pilot yet, so I could have waited a lot longer before I throttled up on that, but whoa. Whoa, okay. A little bit of weird, like, jiggle wobble things happen there, where it almost didn't want to turn. So that's a little weird. Try to get a little better at doing my sharp turns there. So there's some construction stuff going on over here. Don't want to get too far in the bounds because you can see there's a fence, but some cool bulldozers over here. Of course, there's that tree that I've been flying by a little bit. So I feel like I'm getting a slight amount of what's called the death wobble, from what I've heard at least. So I think I'll fix that by increasing my neutral position for the motors. At least that's how I've seen other people fix that in the past. Again, don't know a ton about RC and such, so, or at least about RC drones. So no saying exactly if that will fix it, but I'm hoping it will. Because it really just has to do with lack of control as far as I'm concerned. And it looks like we have a person over there. There will be some soccer practices commencing, so luckily my battery won't last long enough to be around that, because I would not want to hit anyone else with the drone or to get the drone hit by someone else. So. But our battery is getting pretty low. Crosshairs are really nice. I'm liking that a ton. Oh, actually, it looks like we have baseball practice, which is really not good, because baseball hitting the drone would be far worse than soccer. Well, I don't really know if it would be or not, but... Oh, it looks like I have low battery warning. Go ahead and come and join. There we go. All good. That was, what, maybe our 4th or 5th flight with the drone, so at least through FPV. So it's pretty nice. I'm liking it so far. This is a new venture for me, and I'm surprised at how well it's going. Surprised I haven't broken the drones yet, but yeah. So that is it for today's episode. If you enjoyed the video, comment down below what parts you enjoyed about this, things that I could improve about my drone, things that are problematic that you may have seen if you're a little bit more experienced than I am. But other than that, I want to thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.